Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are working on our microwave and we have a burnt out light bulb. It's not the actual light bulb that's inside the microwave. We've opened it up, looked at it, it's working perfect. Thank you. It's actually the underside surface lights. We've got two of them. One of them's burnt out. Let's head out to the kitchen and take a look. Alright YouTubers, inside the kitchen now, and nothing fancy. It's just an electric stove and your normal matching black microwave. Ours is a GE brand. All we need is a Phillips screwdriver. On the bottom side you've got access panels, one here for the light and one on the right side. And here's what we're experiencing up top when you push the surface light. Only one light lights up. So that one's burned out. However, when we remove that, we're going to go to our local Lowe's and purchase new LED bulbs because these are old and they're energy eating bulbs. So from here what we'll do is we'll turn the light back off and we'll come up and access the actual Phillips screw and go ahead and unscrew the Phillips screw. And I have a magnetic tip on my Phillips screwdriver. Carefully lower that down, and as you can see, the screw sticks to that tip. Again, this is just the access panel, and up in here you can see the light bulb. Lefty loosey, go ahead and untwist this. Be very careful, you do not want to drop that. That would shatter everywhere. And that's what the bulb looks like. So what we'll do is put this in a sandwich bag and head to our local Lowe's and buy two of those. Alright YouTubers, back from our local Home Depot, and again we took these lights with us just to compare them, because when you get to Home Depot it seems as if there are hundreds of different options of LED bulbs, and we wanted to verify that we actually got the same size because these go into a small opening up there in that little lens or casing. And what we did was we bought the appliance LED bulbs, a 2 watt, and this is a T7 bulb type, the exact replacement bulbs for our old energy eating incandescent bulbs. So what we'll do now is we'll open up each bulb. Alright, on the back side you've got this little tab here. I highly recommend wearing non-powdered rubber gloves. You don't want any finger oils on your actual bulbs. At this point, both brand new LED bulbs are out, and I put the old bulbs in the packages and I'm going to dispose of them responsibly. From here, be careful. You just go up, properly align your bulb in the actual socket, and twist it until it's tight. Try not to over tighten it. And you'll notice this one is opposite, so it's easier to use your left hand on the left side, right hand on the right side. Both bulbs are in and tight. Now we will grab the Phillips screws and secure these actual access panels up. Alright, making progress. Both light bulbs are secured and the access panels are tightened down by those Phillips screws. Let's go ahead and test the light. Alright, that is nice. These bulbs give off more lumens and use much less wattage per bulb than the old energy eating incandescent bulbs. Very nice. I think the wife will love that. Very bright actually, I do like that. So hope this helps YouTubers. Do us a favor, hey, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That will be awesome. Thanks again for watching YouTubers. Alright YouTubers, it is early morning. I'm brewing coffee and I'm going to show you the actual, it's still pitch black out, so what I'll do is I'll change the actual light. Alright, the light is now off in the room and I'm going to turn on the light for the stove. If I can find it here. There it is. Yes, that lights up the entire stove and some. Check that out. That'll be perfect.